Mexicano, I'm working like a Mexicano. New persona, I'm moving on from Ferragamo. Get the llama, I party with the real Madonna. Beat the odds, do numbers and remain humble.
Starboy day for you. Baby girl, you find yourself though. Girl, you make my eye red oh. Anytime you know they close to me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Baby girl, now you I want though. Baby, shine on me.
Guys, it's T and the education for free 99. Okay, like I don't know about any of y'all, but I am a certified YouTube hairstylist, which means I learned everything that I know about doing hair on YouTube and just practice. So like I just love being able to like come back and like teach you guys, because like I've learned so many stuff on YouTube. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a personal one-on-one class, and I'm going to be teaching you guys how I install my frontal. First, before we start, before I even move forward, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now. There's 10 weeks left in this year. I'm going to try to upload at least one video every single week. I got this frontal wig from Amazon. It is poppin', girl, but I'm gonna let you guys know about this wig in another video. Basically, I already plucked my lace, I tinted my lace, and I already cut the lace. All I'm doing is just spraying this hair a little bit, only because like I just want to get it out of the way, so when I put the glue, it's not going to be bothering me. If you would like a tutorial on how I tint my lace, how I pluck my lace, how I install the stocking cap, just let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see from me. When I did this hairstyle for the WizKid concert, oh my gosh, I got so many compliments from people at the concert via Snapchat, Instagram, and stuff like that. A lot of people have been waiting for this tutorial. Sorry for the wait, guys. No, okay, so this is my bold hold. So I've obviously used it so much that like the label is not even on it anymore, but it's bold hold glue, and the link to where you can buy it is going to be in the description box. So make sure you're not getting it on your hair. So all of my hair is covered, by the way, and just insert a small amount, because if you put too much glue, like you can see I'm doing little dabs.
Oh hell no!
Too much glue will make it like it'll just be too long to dry, so, and then it'll stay white for a long time. So you want it to dry clear, and that's why I just like go in with a small amount. Spraying my finger with 90% alcohol and just wiping it. And this is because I personally like to use my finger to spread the glue. I feel like my finger, maybe the heat of my finger just melts the glue faster, and I feel like I have more control in just where I want the glue to be. I don't like to install my frontals when I have makeup on my face. I like to do my makeup after, only because like I just like to see like how well the lace blends in with my skin before I need to like go in with makeup and add it. As you can see, this side is already done. That was like less than a minute. My ear part right here is drying a little bit, and this part is basically almost done drying.
Eternity later.
Okay guys, so I did my 4 layers with my with my bold hold glue. As you can see, the layers are dry. So I'm about to put the wig on, and like just make sure before you lay down your wig you have all of the hair pushed back, because when you're trying to lay down the wig, if you don't clip your hair back, the hair is gonna get on the glue and then it's gonna get stuck there. So I'm just grabbing my lace in the middle and I'm gonna lay it on the glue. So this part is like really self-explanatory. as I am laying down my frontal, I like to just take a little comb. So I'm taking my edge control toothbrush. It has like a little comb on the back side of it, and I like to comb the hairs back. Make sure you have something that you're able to like push the lace down. I don't like to use my finger because I don't want it to get stuck in the glue. So I just use like a rat tail comb, or just something that has like a tail at the end of it. And make sure with everything that you're doing, you're pushing the hair back. Base emphasis on not having excess lace is very, 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 very important. And like I have like a little lifting going on right here, so I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of my glue, put some right here. So I'm just moving that out of the way so that I can let it dry. Like I literally just put this on and it looks so good. I haven't even tied a scarf over it. It hasn't even had time to like sit together and melt fully, and it still looks really, really good. Everything is said and done. I installed the wig. So now what I'm about to do is I'm just gonna tie it with a scarf. I'm gonna let it sit for at least an hour. I would say you should let it sit for like a minimum of 20 minutes with a tight scarf. I'm gonna just do mine for like an hour because that's how long I have my meeting for. Come back, style the hair, and I'm gonna be good to go. Yeah, just make sure when you're tying your scarf, you're not like moving it around too much, because then it's gonna get stuck. The hair is gonna get stuck in the lace. So I'm just putting it down and just making sure I'm not doing too much.
2 hours later.
So I've had my hair tied down for quite some time now. So it's about to be the grand reveal. But like I said, you should tie your hair down for a minimum of 20 minutes. And then a maximum of however long you want it to be tied down for. So, look at this. So this is what I actually meant earlier when I was trying to explain why it's important to leave less lace out and then pluck your hair in a way to make it look natural. As you guys can see, like, where is the lace? Like, you can barely, like, I don't have lace up to here. Like, I know you guys know people who be leaving, like, their hair is right here, but their lace is like, excess lace is right here. And I'm telling you, this is the prime reason why your frontals and your hair does not look natural. Y'all, it's about to be 2019. I'm gonna put you guys on if you guys are not already on, but cut the lace as close to the hair as possible, okay? So if you do want a plucking tutorial, I will be more than happy to show you guys the best way to pluck your frontals so that you don't have to leave excess lace out and that you do not have to create baby hairs. Like I always say, you don't want to have to create baby hairs so that your hair looks natural. You want to create baby hairs because you have that option. Today you want baby hairs and tomorrow you don't. But every single day you have to have baby hairs just to hide the lace. That's a problem.
Moving on forward, going into 2019, we're gonna vow. Everybody raise your right hand. I, whatever your name is, I, Sylvia Gatanga, vow to slay all day with my frontals and have less lace, popping edges, okay?
Maybe it's the ring light that is kind of like making it look a little whitish, but like I have my mirror down here and in person it blends in with my skin perfectly. So thank you guys so much for watching part 1 of my 3-part series. Stay tuned for my styling in the next upload.
I said, baby, let's roll. Yeah. Baby, let's roll. Baby, let's go to a place no one knows with your hair natural.